Hello, today I'm going to be talking about chronic hyperpigmentation. Chronic hyperpigmentation is an acquired hyperpigmentation disorder in the skin. Chronic hyperpigmentation is the concentration of melanin particles around various areas of the skin. There are various types of hyperpigmentation disorders such as melasma, freckles, age spot, sunburn, suntan, PFB, FB, and dermatitis, just to name a few. Hyperpigmentation is often associated with acne and scarring, which means with the right skincare routine, it can be dealt with. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to correct hyperpigmentation for medium tanned and mildly sensitive skin. First, I will be applying my charcoal mask. These masks are much better than the traditional sheet mask because as opposed to being made with resins and potentially glue, these masks are made of clay, which is natural, gentle on the skin, and helps to adsorb the impurities while keeping the skin fresh and moisturized. Next, I will be applying my retinoid. There are three types of retinoids. There's retinols, retin-A's, and retinoic acid. I will be using a retinol, which is very gentle on the skin and helps to keep the skin bright, youthful. It also helps with cell turnover, which is crucial for clarifying marks and dark spots. I will be applying this product using my beauty blender. I find that it gives the best absorption rate and it dilutes the product so it doesn't cause sensitivity. The brand I'm using is Cream to Skin Nutritions and can be found at the Dollar Tree. The next product I will be using will be the Ordinary's lactic acid plus hyaluronic acid. Lactic acid is a form of AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, which is good for reducing texture, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and improving the overall look and feel of the skin. This actually is one of the active ingredients in this routine, as it works with the next ingredient to really improve the colors and discoloration of the skin. The next product I will be using is the main ingredient in dark spot correction. It is the Ambi Fade Cream with 2% hydroquinone. Now, contrary to what most people might believe, hydroquinone is not a bad word nor is it a bad ingredient. It is way more effective than niacinamide at lightening the dark spots and discoloration. Emphasis on dark spots and discoloration. This product is literally not meant for the entirety of the face. As you can see, I'm only applying it to the parts of my face that are affected by hyperpigmentation disorders. Since this is a spot treatment, I find that using a damp beauty blender with a pointed tip is best for the application. It allows you to get all the areas you need to cover without over-covering your face with too much product. The goal is not to lighten our faces, but just to lighten the marks. If you lighten the entirety of the face, the marks will still be there, but the face will be lighter. Lastly, I apply the sunscreen, and then that's it, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out my Patreon. All the products can be found linked below in my description. Bye!